Good morning, ma'am.
आप लेमन टी क्यों जानने लगे? आप कॉफी, वो चाय और मैं लेमन टी, ऐसा रहेगा।
अर्चना झा बोली
हाँ, नहीं तो ऐसे ही करिए, हम ही कॉफी ले आए करेंगे। नहीं,
अर्चना झा बोली कि पपड़ा लाए हैं तो तुम लोग के लिए
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Now, from Monday, children, your classes will start, offline classes. Are you all interested in joining those classes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Alternate आना होगा आप लोग को, alternate day. 21 to 22 या 25 जो भी आपका स्ट्रेंथ है क्लास का उसके हिसाब से 50% will come on one day and the rest of you will come on the next day. ठीक है? So be prepared, mentally prepared that you have to join the classes. Children, in your class, I have not completed all the questions. Question answer थोड़ा रह गया था ना आप लोग का?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just wait. Just mute your mic, children. Mic बंद रखिए. Aditya Raj. Now, first I will complete all the questions. Question complete कर देते हैं, उसके बाद एक बार रिवाइज करवा देंगे आप लोग को आंसर फिर से. Now, which question was left, children? Question number E5 we had discussed.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, E6 and E7 was
E6.
left.
E6.
Yes, ma'am.
चलो,
Yes,
define
ma'am.
loud pitch. Page number 225. Page number 225. The amplitude of a sound determines its loudness. More the amplitude of vibration, the louder is the sound produced. The amplitude of a sound determines its loudness. More the amplitude of vibration, the louder is the sound produced. Pitch. The frequency of a sound determines its shrillness or flatness. The word pitch is used to describe the shrillness or flatness of a sound. A higher pitch means shriller sound, while a lower pitch means flatter sound. Loudness of a sound, when the amplitude of vibrating body increases. State the effect on. What will be the answer?
The loudness will also increase.
It will also increase. Loudness of the sound, when the amplitude of the vibrating body increases, loudness increases. Pitch of a sound, when the frequency of a vibrating body increases.
It will also increase.
Pitch also increases.
Loudness and pitch. Loudness
also
depends
increases.
upon amplitude and pitch depends upon frequency. So if they are increased, then this loudness and pitch will also increase. Why is noise pollution regarded as harmful for human beings?
Page number 229.
Page number 229.
Effect of noise pollution of health. First paragraph. Excessive noise in the surroundings can cause many health-related problems that are first.
Ananya, wait.
First point, the most.
Ananya, just wait. Noise pollution is regarded as harmful for human beings because, come to page number 229. Excessive noise in the surrounding can cause many related health-related problems. Then come to point number 1. It may result in lack of concentration of mind. Noise pollution affects human health. It may cause lack of sleep, hypertension, nervousness, anxiety, decrease in ability to memorize, and extreme emotional behavior. Noise pollution may lead to hearing impairment. These all points you will write. Should I repeat it once again?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
अच्छा ठीक है, एक बार रिपीट कर देते हैं. Why is noise pollution regarded as harmful for human beings? Noise pollution is regarded as harmful for human beings because excessive noise in the surrounding can cause many health-related problems. Then next, it may result in lack of concentration of mind. Then second, complete point. And third, noise pollution may lead to hearing impairment. So with this, we have completed the question answer. Now, anybody who has left any question, you can tell me just now. किसी का कोई छूट रहा है तो बताइए. Or should I repeat once again all the questions?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
सबका मार्क हो गया है. एक बार
Yes,
डी
ma'am.
देखो.
Yes.
Yes,
In the
ma'am.
code
Yes, ma'am.
regarding as the basic cause of all sound, vibrations. Name two musical instruments which produce sound through vibrating string, sitar or guitar, or ektara. Through which state of matter does sound propagate with slowest speed? Gaseous state. And fastest speed? Solid state. Define the following term, also write there. SI unit. Come to page number 224. 224 निकालिए. Amplitude, time period, and frequency of vibration. The maximum displacement of a vibrating body on either side of its central position is called its amplitude. Its unit, SI unit, is meter. A vibrating body completes a fixed number of, नहीं, इसका लिखो time period का. The vibrating body completes its one cycle of to and fro motion in a fixed time interval. This time interval is called its time period. SI unit is second. Utkarsh, leave it. रहने दीजिए. Then next is frequency. A vibrating body completes a fixed number of cycles of vibration in 1 second. This number is known as its frequency. Its unit is hertz. Name the characteristic of a vibrating body which determines loudness. क्या होगा?
Amplitude.
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 Pitch of the sound.
Frequency.
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 The frequency of male and female voices in human beings are nearly 1 kilohertz and 1.5 kilohertz. Which of the two voices is likely to be flatter?
Male
First
body.
में क्या
Male
होगा?
voice.
Male voice.
Male voice.
Male's
Male
voice.
voice.
Higher pitch.
1 kilohertz.
हाँ तो हायर पिच किसका होगा? फीमेल
Female voice.
Female voice.
Female voice.
1.5 kilohertz.
Female voice. Female.
Explain briefly the mechanism of production of sound in human beings. सब लोग मार्क कर लिए हो या फिर से बता दें?
मैम मार्क कर लिया है.
मैम मार्क कर लिया है.
ठीक है, किसी को कोई दिक्कत नहीं है ना? तो should we
No,
revise
ma'am.
some other chapter?
No, ma'am.
We will revise some other chapter.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक. Now come to refraction and dispersion of light. Light का हम लोग revision कर लेंगे. First of all, I want you, all of you, to tell me what are the rules of refraction, because so
When-
many of you have written wrong. One by one, I'll
Yes,
call your
ma'am.
name. You tell me.
A ray of light bends
Ananya.
towards the normal when it goes
A
from
ray of
an
Exactly,
optical
hold on.
rarer
A
medium
ray
to
of-
an optical denser
And
medium. Second, a ray of light bend
I'm
away from
asking Ananya to
when it
speak.
goes.
Aditya, stop it. ऐसे पूरा एक बार बोलोगे तो कुछ आवाज नहीं सुनाई देती. Ananya,
two rules.
80.
Yes, ma'am. The two rules of refraction are as follow. First, a ray of light bends towards the normal when it goes from an optically rare medium to an optically denser medium. Second, a ray of light bends away from the normal when it goes from the optically denser medium to an optically rarer.
Yes. Next is Shubh Narayan.
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो.
Ma'am, the same question.
All will speak so that
Yes,
they
ma'am.
should know. Bolo.
When a ray of light propagates from a optically rarer medium to an optically denser medium obliquely, the ray of light bends towards the normal. Second law of refraction. When a light ray propagates from an optically denser medium to an optically rarer medium, that is obliquely, it bends away from the normal.
Okay. Listen, those who have written it wrong, please mark it कि अभी आप लोग class 8 में reflection नहीं पढ़ रहे हो. So please don't write that answer. I was really upset by seeing your answers. Vaishnavi, please tell this question. What are the rules of refraction of light?
The two rules of refraction of light is first, a ray of light bends towards the normal when it goes obliquely from an optically rarer medium to an optically denser medium. Two,
Yes.
a ray of light bends away from the normal when it goes obliquely from an optically denser medium to an optically rarer medium.
Aditya Raj.
Yes, ma'am. When a light ray is propagating in optically rarer medium and obliquely enter in optically denser medium, it usually bends toward the normal. Second law of reflection. When a light ray is propagating in optically denser medium and obliquely enter in optically rarer medium, it is seen to bend away from normal.
Okay, next is Supriya.
Yes, ma'am. When a
Boliye.
light ray goes from optically rarer medium to an optically denser medium, it bends towards the normal. Second, when a light ray goes from optically denser medium to an optically rarer medium, it goes away from the normal.
Vaishvi Sagar.
Yes, ma'am. Towards the normal when
Vaishvi,
it goes from the optically. Yes, ma'am.
बोलिए.
बोल रहे हैं. A ray of light bends toward the normal when it goes from optically rarer medium to optically denser medium. Second, when a light ray goes ray of light goes away from the normal when it goes from optically denser medium to optically rarer medium.
ठीक है.
हो गया.
Aditya Agrawal. All of you have to speak. Don't sit idle in the class. Aditya Agrawal. Aman.
Yes, ma'am.
बोलिए.
Rules of reflection. A ray of light bends toward the normal when it goes from an optically rare medium to an optically denser medium. Rule 2. A ray of light bends away from the normal when it goes from an optically denser medium to an optically rarer medium.
Okay. Sudhanshu.
Yes, ma'am. There are two
Fully.
rules of reflection. The light of rays bend towards the normal when it goes from an optically rarer medium to an optically denser medium. Second law.
Utkarsh Singh.
Yes,
मैम
ma'am.
पूरा नहीं हुआ मैम सेकंड लॉ नहीं
आप
हुआ.
रेडी हुई इसके बाद सुधांशु सेकंड रूल बोलो.
A ray of light bend away from the normal when it goes from an optically denser medium to an optically rarer medium.
Yes, Utkarsh बोलिए.
Yes, ma'am. Rules of refraction first. A ray of light bends toward the normal when it goes from an optically rarer medium to an optically denser medium. Second, a ray of light bends away from the normal when it goes from an optically denser medium to an optically rarer medium.
विराट कश्यप.
Yes, ma'am. First, a ray of light bends towards the normal when it goes optically from an optical rare medium to an optical denser medium. Second, a ray of light bends away from the normal when it goes obliquely from an optical denser medium to an optically rare medium.
Okay. Aditya Agrawal. You can take the help of the book, those who are not remembering it, but you have to tell. Adnan. Akshita. For what you all are joining the class? Ankit. Ankit Kumar. Athar.
Yes, ma'am.
बोलिए.
First law, a ray of light bends towards the normal when it goes from an optically rare medium to an optically denser medium. Second, a ray of light bends away from the normal when it goes from an optical denser medium to an optically rare medium.
Kavish.
Yes, ma'am. Number one, a ray of light bends towards the normal when it goes from an optically rarer medium to an optical denser medium. Number two, a ray of light bends away from the normal when it goes from an optical denser medium to an optical rarer medium.
Anurag.
Yes, ma'am. A ray of light bends towards the normal when it goes from optical rarer medium to an optical denser medium. Second, a ray of light bends away from the normal when it goes from an optical denser medium to an optical rarer medium.
Okay. Now, Avneet. Avneet.
Yes, ma'am.
बोलिए.
A ray of light bends towards the normal when it goes from an optical rarer optical denser medium. A ray of light bends away from the normal when it goes from the optical denser medium to optical rarer medium.
Jagrit. Jagrit Raj. Jagrit, are you hearing me? Jagrit Raj. Kavish, you are joining by two names. दो बार तुम्हारे कैसे ज्वाइनिंग दिखा रहा है? काविश 80.
Yes, ma'am.
दो नंबर से ज्वाइन करते हो?
मैम कंप्यूटर से join
मोहित
करते हैं, वो
राज. मोहित. नमन.
Yes, ma'am. A ray of light bends
बोलिए.
towards the normal when it goes from an optically rarer medium to an optically denser medium. A ray of light bends away from the normal when it goes from an optically denser medium to an optically rarer medium.
Okay. Now next question of this chapter only. ये chapter का next question है. What is dispersion of light? You will explain the complete thing about dispersion. You, Ananya, you start. What is dispersion of light?
Splitting of white light into 7 constituent colors after passing through a suitable material is known as dispersion of light.
Yes, one thing children, where this person was also asked in your exam ना, आप लोगों ने
Yes.
dispersion को क्या लिखा है? Breaking of white light. कहीं टूटते हुए दिखता है क्या आप लोग को? हाँ?
Ma'am, no ma'am,
No,
no
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Do you see breaking of the light?
ma'am.
Then why do you use these words? हम हमेशा आप लोग को इस साइंस के क्लास में बताते हैं कि there are some technical terms which describes a particular situation or particular phenomenon in science. Then that makes a sense. That makes your answer complete. ये हम आप लोग को बोलते हैं या नहीं बोलते हैं?
Yes ma'am.
Yes,
Then use
ma'am.
that word. Use that word always. तो splitting of white light, breaking of white light नहीं होता है. आप लोग का आंसर देख देख के हम अपना सर घूमने लगता है मेरा. I just don't understand what to do with you all. From where you all bring these answers, I don't understand. Next. Sudhanshu, you tell.
The splitting of white light into its compound in 7 colors is called dispersion of light.
Into its क्या बोल रहे हो?
Into its component of 7 colors.
Into its component colors.
Yes ma'am.
ठीक है, या constituent colors बोलो. 7 constituent colors.
Okay ma'am.
हाँ. एक appropriate answer नोट करो तो dispersion का लिखो. सब लोग इसको पेंसिल से वहीं पर लिख लीजिए बुक में. The splitting of white light. The splitting of white light into 7 constituent colors. That is IE करके लिखो. That is Vibgyor. That is Vibgyor is known as dispersion of light. Everything is covered in this.
Ma'am,
The
repeat कर
splitting
दीजिए.
of white light into
Ma'am,
its
please
7
repeat.
constituent colors. Into its 7 constituent colors. That is Vibgyor. Or Vibgyor, all the alphabets will be in capital letter. Vibgyor में सारा alphabet capital letter में होगा because it is a type of abbreviation used. Vibgyor is known as dispersion of light. Okay? लिख लिए सब लोग?
Ma'am,
Yes,
please
ma'am.
repeat.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now same answer all will speak just now when I am
Ma'am,
asking.
please repeat.
फिर से बोल दें?
Yes, ma'am. One time.
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो, लिखो. The splitting of white light into its 7 constituent colors. Into its 7 constituent colors is known as या 7 constituent colors के बाद लिखो that is Vibgyor is known as dispersion of light. Now it is okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
चलो.
yes,
अब
ma'am.
now all will speak. जिसको भी पूछेंगे the same language you will use. Shubh Narayan.
The splitting of white light into its 7 constituent colors, that is Vibgyor, is known as the dispersion of light.
Yes. Aditya Raj.
Yes, ma'am. The splitting of white light into its 7 constituent color, that is Vibgyor, is called dispersion of light.
Yes. Navya.
Yes, ma'am. The splitting of white light into its 7 constituent colors, that is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red, is known as dispersion of light.
Okay. Vaishnavi.
Yes, ma'am. The splitting of white light into its 7 constituent colors, that is Vibgyor, is known as dispersion of light.
Now it is okay. सबको ये अब कभी नहीं
Yes,
भूलोगे
ma'am.
ये इसको?
No, ma'am.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Explanation
No,
को नहीं
ma'am.
भूलोगे ना? So don't
No, ma'am.
just forget it.
No,
Don't
ma'am.
forget. Okay. Now we will move to the next important term of this chapter. Define principal axis. Sudhanshu. Define principal axis.
The line joining the center of curvature of the two spherical surface of a lens is called as principal axis.
Okay. Narayani, you tell me what is focus? Appropriate answer बोलना. What is focus? Jagrit? Where have you gone, Jagrit? You are not responding. Okay. Virat. Virat.
Yes, ma'am.
Virat Kashyap, tell principal focus.
Yes, ma'am. The distance of the principal focus from the optical center of a lens equals the focal length of the lens.
हम क्या पूछे हैं? Principal focus. आप बोल रहे हैं focal length. I have asked principal focus. You are telling focal length. Is it correct? Who will tell me the appropriate
Ma'am,
answer
can I?
of
Ma'am,
principal
can I?
focus?
Can I?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am,
I'm
can I?
Sudhanshu.
Okay, Ananya, बोलिए.
A point on the principal axis where all the rays incident parallel to the principal axis actually meet, that is in the case of convex lens, or appears to meet, that is in the situation of concave lens after refraction through the given lens,
No, this
is
is a
known as
confusing
principal
one.
focus.
सबको easily नहीं learn कर पाओगे. Easy वाला बोलो. Just a easier one. So all of you can remember. Shubh Narayan.
Yes, ma'am.
जो आपकी बुक में है, जो डायरेक्ट आंसर है, उसको बोलो फोकस में. Principal focus में.
It is the point on the principal axis where all the rays parallel to the principal axis actually meet or appear to meet.
हाँ. और you can, जैसे आप लोग बाद में
After
पैरेलल
refraction.
बोल रहे हो ना, तो पहले ही पैरेलल बोलो. When
Yes, ma'am.
if a beam of ray, wait a minute. If a beam of rays all parallel to the principal axis fall on the lens
After refraction
and
from the mirror.
either meet or appear to meet over there is known as, and that point is known as focus. इसको लिखिए, एक बार लिख लीजिए सब लोग, क्योंकि वो फिर बार-बार सबका लैंग्वेज बदलते जाएगा. ठीक है? So write down. If a beam of rays all parallel to the principal axis of a lens fall on the lens all such rays either converge or appear to diverge from a point on its principal axis. This point is known as principal focus, या ब्रैकेट में second principal focus भी लिख सकते. जनरली जब आपका डेफिनेशन आएगा तो आप
मैम एक बार रिपीट कर दीजिए तो।
डेफिनेशन लिखिएगा। यस
मैम एक बार रिपीट कर दीजिए तो।
लिखिए, a beam of rays all parallel to the principal axis of a lens
178 पे है
178 में, लेकिन उसी को थोड़ा अपने लैंग्वेज में कर, उसमें 2 बार लिखा हुआ है प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस, तो वो आपको एक कंटिन्यूटी में थोड़ा ब्रेक करता है, तो आपको याद करने में दिक्कत होगी। लिखो, if a beam of rays all parallel to the principal of axis of a lens fall on the lens, all such rays either converge or appear to diverge from a point on its principal axis. This point is known as the second principal focus of the lens. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
yes ma'am
Have you all noted it down? अब इसी सिंपल लाइन को बोलोगे ताकि आपको याद करने में भी सुविधा हो और आपको समझने में भी आसानी हो। ठीक है? Come on, just one by one, 2-4 बच्चे इसको रिपीट करो so that all can know. Navya, tell.
Yes, ma'am. If a beam of rays all parallel to the principal axis of the lens fall on the lens, such rays either converge or appear to diverge on its point on the principal axis. That point is called the focus.
Okay. Then Virat.
Yes, ma'am. If a beam of rays all parallel to the principal axis of a lens fall on the lens, all such rays either all converge or appear to diverge from a point on its principal axis. We call this point as the principal focus of the lens.
अब याद करने में आसानी हो गई ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
आदित्यराज, फिर से बोलो इसको एक बार।
Yes, ma'am. If a beam of rays all parallel to the principal axis of lens fall on the lens, all such ray either converge or appear to diverge from a point. This point called the principal focus.
Okay, correct. Anurag, once more, repeat karo.
Yes, ma'am. If a beam of rays all parallel to the principal axis of a lens fall on the lens, all such ray either all converge to a principal to or appear to diverge from a point on the principal axis. This point is known as principal focus of the lens.
Okay, correct. Now tell, what are the 3 special rules, rays for lenses? What are the 3 special rays for lenses?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I?
Mohit Raj.
Yes.
Anurag.
Yes, ma'am. An incident ray parallel to the principal.
कौन बोल रहा है और साथ से?
Mohit
Raj, roll number 7.
Mohit, are you able to answer this? Okay, chalo, ठीक है. Anurag, you tell.
An incident ray parallel to the principal axis passes through the principal focus of the lens. Second, an incident ray passing through the optical center of the lens goes undeviated from the lens. Third, an incident ray passing through the principal focus of the lens or directed toward it become parallel to the principal axis after refraction from the lens.
Okay. Now, children, from Monday, I suppose that we will start the revision work. So, from cell chapter also you all have studied now this term. फर्स्ट
Yes, ma'am.
चैप्टर से हम
Yes,
रिविजन
ma'am.
करना शुरू करेंगे
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है
Yes,
so
ma'am.
all of you completely learn that chapter clear
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.